Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. Now in today's video we are going to be doing a special collab. This is the first time I'm doing a collab with Luce's Patreons. So Luce is another YouTuber. Her YouTube name is Lucestephenson. She has a Patreon group and this is the first time we're all collabing together. So please go down into the description box because I will link all the ladies' information down there. Some people are doing it on Insta, some people are doing it on the actual YouTube, on YouTube, whatever that means. Some people are going to be sending their pictures to the group, so whatever the case is, please just go down below and go into my description box because there definitely will be all their links down there. So today is Sunday. Some of us are uploading today. Tomorrow some of us are uploading then on Monday. So yeah, please just look out for everyone. It's just when people have the time they'll upload. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this. Basically in this group we have to choose a colour. Obviously I chose gold. Gold is like my favourite to wear, so I thought why not do something that I really like. So I have a bunch of gold goodies that I really enjoy and thought I'll use as much of these as possible. And first step is obviously to prime my eyelids, and we're going to use the Beauty Base Eye Bay. You know what I'm saying. We're going to be using the BH Sugar Cone palette. This is from their Sweet Shop collection. I thought what better way to kick off my BH series than using one of these. So every Sunday I'm going to be using one of these palettes until I've used all of them, and then I feel like after I've used the Sweet Shop palettes I'll be using, like, you know, the square palettes, because I've got a few that I haven't used just yet. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in order. I'm going to use all the mattes in here. They're just so adorable. So let's start off with Sugar Rush. There's a lot of kickback in the pan. It's a very light shade, this one. It's literally my skin tone. I could probably use this as a powder for my skin, you know. Then we're going to go in with Delicious, which I feel like I could use as a bronzer shade. There's so much fallout from these, and how big these pans are, you could literally use them for your face if you wanted to. This is blending out beautifully. I'm actually in love with this palette. This palette is the perfect everyday palette. If it was smaller, it'd be perfect to travel to work with, like just to like top up. It is perfect. This is a me kind of palette, definitely. Then we're just going to go in with Toasted. That actually reminds me of Hoola Toasted. I will use slightly a smaller blending brush for this. I say slightly smaller, I think that's bigger. Hey ho. This is a Jessup brush, this one. The last one was a Kit Stars. I think I got that at IMATS when I was looking for some Smith brushes. You know what, I might actually just cut my crease today because we're going to use a lovely gold on the eye. I might as well. I literally don't understand why I always get this mark here. I really don't get it. I think it's literally just a shadow in my eye. Okay, let's deepen it up with Homemade. Okay, I'm going to cut my crease and come back. Okay, crease is cut on one side because I didn't want to cut both sides and then it like separates. So I'm thinking we go in with the shade Dipped, which is the second shade here, because I want to use that as maybe a bit of a highlight. So maybe that shade. I do love these Peaches and Creams PC40. They're just perfect. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Wow. Glad I chose this colour. You know, I've also got this Gatsby pigment from Peaches that I haven't used. And I bought it because apparently it was meant to be like a wicked highlighter for like medium skin tones. However, I'm pale now, so I haven't been able to use it. It's got like gold and silver reflex in there. Should we try it? I'm hoping I don't need no glue because I ain't got no glue in here. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know if you can see how glittery that is. I'm gonna go do my other eye, but whoa, that is amazing. It looks so much better on this eye because I put it straight onto like wet concealer, whereas this eye it looks just really glittery and textured. So definitely just put it onto a wet base. I'm just going to take a PC22 and blend out with a bit of Homemade, just a little bit. And then go back into Toasted and blend it out a little bit more. It's easier to blend out on the textured side than it is when it went onto the wet concealer. I think it's some time for some dramatic eyeliner. Eyes are semi-complete. We're going to move on to a bit of base, which we're going to use my MUA Pro base because someone want a dog. Someone want a dog. This has got gold flakes in it, and you know I love it. It's just like my Honey Dew Me Up, which is nearly run out, so we're going to use this. I said in one of my other videos that you have to work really fast and in sections with this because, ow, take my nose stud out. Oh, I forgot it was there. It literally can droop down your face so quickly. It is nice. A bit more oily than Honey Dew Me Up though. Gonna mix two foundations. We're gonna mix Revolution Conceal and Define in F2 and F8. F8's my summer shade. F2's really pale, paler than this. So I'm gonna hopefully make a good mixture. Let's see. My dog has the nerve to kick me while she's sitting on my lap. Can you believe it? Actual cheek. Let's put a bit of Conceal and Define in C1. My C5 has finally run out, so this is going to be a tad too light. Let's use my gingerbread bronzer because it has a nice sheen to it and I love it. Gonna use my sleek blusher, Feeling Like a Snack. For highlight, we've got to go in with this Kiko Magical Holiday Golden Lake. It's literally such a nice gold. Especially that this bronzer has a gold sheen in it as well. Gonna spritz my face with a bit of Equinox Mist. This is XX, this is so good. For lips, we're first off gonna go in with Vintage by Beauty Bay. Then I'm gonna top it off with this gold L'Oreal lipstick. Look at that, it's proper gold. I literally have gold glitter everywhere. I like this. Under my eyes, I'm going to go in with the darker shade on the outer corner and Toasted on like the inner area. For inner corner, we're going to go in with the second shade here called Dipped. Just need to do my eyebrows and then we're literally complete. Okay everyone, this is the finished look. I am really happy with the gold. I love gold. Gold lips, gold eyes, gold on my cheeks, gold everywhere. It's kind of a thing. I do love like silver jewellery, I must admit, and mixing up my metals. I do mix up my jewellery. But yeah, please go and look in my description box and follow everybody that's in there, watch their tutorials, like the Instagram, comment, everything, because I'm sure everyone's got some amazing looks. Because obviously I chose gold because that's like one of my favourite colours to use other than purple. But I do hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below and check everyone else out. Bye!